Hey everyone, hope you're all doing well. Today we're introducing one of the most popular and fastest methods this year, the QR code USDT BEP20 drainer script. First, we prepare our own QR code in advance and send it to the target user. When they scan it, just like you're seeing right now, the link is extracted. After clicking, they're redirected to Trust Wallet, and boom. Our page loads instantly. Everything looks 100% real. Here, the user enters the amount they want to send and clicks Next. Immediately, a connection request pops up, exactly like the real Trust Wallet interface. Everything is perfectly simulated. No bugs, no delays. As soon as they connect, a notification is sent to our Telegram reports channel. On the user's screen, they see their balance and enter any amount, let's say half. But in the background, the script sends their entire USDT balance, not the amount they entered. They click Next, confirm the transaction, and boom. Our drainer performs flawlessly. As you can see, the full USDT balance is transferred, and the transaction hash is instantly sent to our Telegram channel, and here, you can see the destination wallet is now funded. It's honestly incredible, fully simulated, and it works like magic. The script even detects the device theme. In our demo, it was dark mode and matches it perfectly, so everything looks completely native and believable. Every detail is designed to look authentic, from the connection pop-ups to the balance display and the transaction flow. No suspicion, no errors, just pure professionalism. If you're interested in this script, or if you want a tool like this for yourself, or even if you just need the full source code, message me on Telegram right now. The link is in the description and pinned in the comments. Don't wait. Opportunities like this don't last forever. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.